Hi, I'm Chuck, one of the editors at 247marketnews.com. I've been covering the stock market since 1999. Over the years, I've written about, consulted with, and evaluated every kind of public company pitch you can think of. Some good, some bad, and a few amazing. Today, I want to highlight an exciting $180 million merger currently in the works, which, according to recent SEC filings, should close this quarter. Trading under SYTA on NASDAQ, Siyata Mobile is acquiring Core Gaming, a fast-growing mobile gaming company using artificial intelligence to fuel its marketing and growth. Last year alone, Core Gaming brought in $80 million in revenue, has over 40 million monthly active users, and an incredible 790 million total downloads. Right now, Siyata trades below $3 a share, but that's not likely to last. With the merger closing soon and big updates expected, I believe the stock could once again make a parabolic move. This isn't just hype, it's happened before. When the merger was first announced, the stock soared from $3 to as high as $9, spending much of the day near $7 before pulling back. I was already covering Siyata for 2 months before that spike, and anyone following my analysis had the chance to catch a gain. I'm saying it again, now is the ideal time to re-enter. Once the official closing date is out, I believe the stock could jump into the teens, offering a potential return. Here's something even more compelling. SYTA has fewer than 4.5 million shares outstanding, and the fully diluted float is under 4 million. Yes, there were past financing struggles and reverse splits. The latest was over 6 months ago, but many current investors are accumulating shares under $3, waiting for the next catalyst. This stock moves fast. The smart move: buy below 3, then take profits when the merger sparks major buying. If you're watching this, consider it a gift. Pound that like button and hit subscribe. I know Siyata well, warts and all, but remember, the stock has surged twice already even before this merger. With this kind of deal, I believe there's real short squeeze potential. Here's the kicker: Siyata has guaranteed that shareholders owning the stock before the merger closes will get at least 10% of the combined $180 million value. That sets a valuation floor around $4 per share. If the price is below $4 at closing, shareholders will receive extra shares, like a special dividend, 6 months later to make up the difference. For example, if the stock closes at $1, you'll receive 3 times more shares to hit that guaranteed floor. If it's above 4, you just keep more Siyata stock and fewer shares go to Core Gaming. This setup rewards current shareholders. With such a tiny float and a massive catalyst ahead, I expect the stock to move well past $4. But even if it doesn't, you've got built-in downside protection. ValueScope, an independent firm under Marshall Stevens and considered the gold standard for Wall Street valuations, valued Core Gaming at nearly $700 million by 2026 and possibly close to $1 billion shortly after. They're projecting $240 million in revenue by then. You'll find everything you need, reports, videos, and the full ValueScope fairness opinion, linked below. Subscribe, hit like, and I'll keep you updated as this plays out. Good luck and happy trading. Remember, buy up to $3, use a stop loss, and stay alert for the explosive move before the crowd jumps in.